Bad things about the N-word. There wasn't one black person sitting in the room when the white folks made that decision that it's going to be the N-word. Can you believe that? And then at the president's dinner Saturday, did you see it?
Larry Wilmore, yeah.
When Larry said, "You my nigga," did you see the president pump his chest? And then Al Sharpton came out and still attacked Larry. I thought the president was your friend, nigga. Huh? If he pump his chest and he's the most powerful man in the world, what's wrong with you? You sanction everything else he do. Huh? What is this about, man? Them white folks in the room was shocked at the president. And so when you stop and think about it. And I heard something that night listening to what they were saying. Larry Wilmore, one of them thuggish news people, reviewing it, said he wasn't talking to us, he wasn't talking to nobody in this room. He's talking to his people. That's what you do with this. Huh? You go to bed sad because you can't get it on NBC, something wrong with you.
The era of slavery has been shown more, that era has been shown more than any other era. Why? And the reason why is because through film, filmmakers have a way of rewriting history. And if it didn't go the way they wanted it to go, by presenting it in a whitewashed way, they can show the South didn't lose.
I wasn't eating chitlins when I was in Africa. I wasn't eating watermelon when I was in Africa. Huh? I wasn't wearing zoot suits when I was in Africa. I wasn't getting my hair cut when I was in Africa. This bitch is my mama. And yours too.
Michael Jackson, I mean, you know, it seems like he needed that fix, that money. It was never enough.
What money? What about money? You didn't have no childhood. See, y'all always be trying to talk about shit you don't know. He didn't have a fucking childhood. Huh? All right? He had all the money he wanted, all the fame he wanted. Huh? But he never bounced the ball. Huh? So y'all gonna sit there and talk about somebody you ain't never talked to him. Huh? Michael Jackson. Huh? A child. His mind was a child. Huh? Became one of the most powerful human beings in the world. And they killed him. Huh? And when they killed him, it's simple mathematics. He's getting ready to do the big show in London 50 times. God can't work one city 50 times, but made you think he could. And that child is in here. It never dawned on him. So he's insured. This is your show. So insurance is on you, not the rest of the people. So he had insured for $1.5 billion. So when they killed him, you mean the Lords of London didn't see them holes in his arm? Lords of London, $1.5 billion, and they didn't see these holes. You know? Michael was killed at 2 o'clock in the morning from a laser. What's the police chief? He's not police chief of New York. Bradley? Whatever.
I was thinking Gates, but that's before.
No. And then 4 days later, they go into the house and find this bloody shirt of Michael's. They didn't understand it's like $450,000 worth of jewelry and cash missing. So white boy said, we got to get rid of him before he ease you out. So then he comes and he works in Virginia, which is called the CIA, and now he's the police chief of New York. I'm a gangster. That's what it's about.
Well, I thought it was because of the Sony thing. They wanted. I believe there was.
But that's because you don't have the information.
Okay.
Huh?
Okay.
I said he was killed by a laser. Huh? I just told you it was a bloody shirt in the money. Just public. All you got to do is go look it up. Huh? I didn't come here to find out what you think.
No, I'm just asking.
No, you didn't. You say you thought. I'm not interviewing you. You interviewing me. I don't want to hear it.
Okay.
Huh? But you go do it. I respect who you're going to be. So don't sit here and tell me you thought it was the Sony thing. Huh? What was the Sony thing about? Tell my grandma.
Well, my understanding was that he was going to get the Beatles catalog.
He already had it. Huh?
Okay.
He bought the Beatles catalog when his people told him don't buy it. He bought it for $48 million. When they killed him, it was worth $2.5 billion. Huh? Stuff going on in your house I don't know nothing about. There's a persona out there I don't know nothing about. When we sitting here with respect for what I don't want to hear what you thought. I saw the check, nigga. Huh? So I got to sit here what you thought. Who cares? Huh? That's all I'm saying.
I understand.
And then what? They didn't know when it came out with the will. His 3 children's name was misspelled. Huh?
So
the day he was supposed to have signed it.
So it's a fake will.
It's a fake will. Huh? That's what I'm saying. Okay? That's all. And so if I was over there and they said, well, what role did Sony play? Well, you didn't say that. I thought I'm not here because of what you think. Huh?
Okay.
Did Sony have anything? Huh?
Okay, I'll ask.
No, you don't have to ask that. I don't care.
No, I'll phrase better with you.
No, it's already, you already said it.
Okay.
Huh? And you ain't gonna stop that overnight. And I don't want you to stop it overnight. Huh? There's people listening to me that's cleansed when you said what you said. Huh? Because we know. Huh? I told Michael. I got to his house, man. His father called me and said, Michael, I need to see you. Michael couldn't go up. His dad and mom couldn't go up to the top floor. Huh? So when they sit there and said, when I carried the food up to him, I saw these little boys. Michael knew. Everybody knew and nobody go up to the third floor. Huh? So I go. Orange County. Father come back and say, Michael, I want you to sit in my seat. I go. So now the trial's over that day. We go home. He holds me, feel like an animal. Calling me. Great, they're about to try to kill me. They're trying to kill me. I know. When last time they said poison me. When last time you drink some water. I said, okay, here's the problem we got. I got to slip you out of here today and take you to the hospital. Now, Michael, am I smarter than you? Shut up. What we'll do is get a driver and we're going to San Francisco to see a friend. What he didn't know is once we got out the house, when you saw that 8th hospital, that's where I was going. I didn't know what. Nobody know we coming. So we go there. 5 o'clock that evening. Michael Jackson. Dehydrated. 6 o'clock. At 6 o'clock the next morning, they spilled with water in it. The doctor said, thank God for you, because he'd have been dead. That's how glad that we were. Okay? I know him. Huh? I know him. I know what it's about. Not about Sony. He already had it. Already had it. So what happened is, when they killed him, the white boys that came in and convinced everybody that Michael went back with them. Michael had gone back with them. Okay? And so the will said that anybody on this wheel protested, if you lose, you cut out. That's why Mama won't even know where she getting groceries from now. She was cut out after. Now, let's go back to the one thing. Lords of London got me insured for $1 billion. That means they give me all kind of checks and they didn't see the holes. Now, here's how clever they are. You and the brother, the first responders, you get there at 10 o'clock. He's out. You don't know he's dead because the call just come in. So you trying to get a vein. You know he's been dead since 2 o'clock. So now they tried everything. Now they go get the different chemicals I can put in. That's where the needle holes came from. Huh? That's how clever they are. The folks that's doing it don't know it. They're just trying to bring them like a needle in. Sure, they got needle holes. But that's where they came from. Huh? That's where they came from. Okay? And the old punk doctor, he know nothing about it. When he's on the 911, they say, what's that? I don't know. You know that. This is the game. The most powerful human being on the planet. Entertainer. Huh? They say he ain't lost his license. He said, right.
So, something fishy there. I think I smell smoke.
Yep.
I think I
Something like
smell
smoke.
Something like smoke.
When Tupac was killed, well, I know something. The mob don't go there and have a shootout in the front lounge. Would make you think black folks do. And who was in the car with him? Quincy Jones' daughter.
Well, she was. Okay.
How I know that New York Times don't know. How I know that he'd been attempted to be killed so many times. The car is bulletproof. So you had to shoot the bulletproof car to get him in the head. He was shot in the car. This was about. This was about. Shot in the car. Of course, he had nerve enough to write some shit in the record.
Yeah, be careful what you say to the government. We might be in trouble here just here.
White folks love Bill Cosby so much. They had commercials, man, when little white children was riding his back eating tapioca out of his eardrums. Daddy Bill. And so, how do they kill my son and I can't get a commercial?
For me, I feel that what Sidney was allowed to do in the heat of the night was the start of blaxploitation.
Let's talk about some more current events. Bill Cosby. What's going on with him? The scandal. Do you believe it? Do you not believe it?
No, you think I would sit here if I would tell you I believe it? I would tell you I don't know you that well.
No.
But I know it's a trick. You've been here long enough, no athlete can do anything they want to do, and nothing happens to them. Huh?
Right.
Big business pay the government $10 billion, but they don't have to admit they broke a law. Huh? Okay? DeSanti, bottled water, Coca-Cola.
Mr. Money in the backpack, Mr. Go Get